I want you to know that optimizing your Windows performance, whether laptop or desktop, on Windows 10 or Windows 11, is a real life hack that can help you make your Windows run very fast and help it stop from lagging. So here, I'm going to show you a series of ways you can use to optimize Windows 10 or Windows 11 performance, whether your laptop is new or it is old. So you want to follow these steps one after the other so that you can adopt the best approach that you can use to easily optimize your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. But please, before we proceed, do like this video and do subscribe, as this really helps us to grow. Now, to start with, optimizing your Windows 10 or Windows 11, the first you want to do is you want to check through all installed application on your Windows and see which one you are not using, which one is taking too much of spaces, and then go ahead and uninstall it. So first, click on the Start button, search for Control Panel, then open it. Once you open Control Panel, locate and click on Programs, then select Uninstall a program. Once you selected Uninstall a program, then you should see all programs you have installed on your Windows. You can see I have a few programs installed on my Windows, so I don't keep programs on my Windows. I only install them when I want to use them. And when I'm done using them, I uninstall them to make sure my Windows performance is not tampered. So you may want to do the same thing. So install program when you want to use them, uninstall them when you are done. And to uninstall a program, all you need to do is click on the program, choose uninstall. They're going to say that says, are you sure you want to uninstall this particular software or program? Click on yes, and then you're good. So that is one of the ways to increase or improve your Windows 10 and Windows 11 performance. Another thing you want to do next is you want to avoid unnecessary application from starting up the moment you turn on your Windows. So in some cases, once you turn on your Windows, all the software and applications you have, both pre-installed and personal application installed on your Windows, will start working instantly. So this is going to slow down your Windows performance and it's going to make your Windows stay for a very long time before the full process begins. So you need to make sure you stop from application from running once you turn on your Windows. To do this, right click on anywhere on the taskbar or right click on the start button and then click on Task Manager. Now, once you selected Task Manager, you can just expand this to see the full Task Manager space. Locate and click on Startup. Here, you're going to see all applications that start each time you turn on your Windows. As you can see, I have all of these disabled. This is because I want to increase the performance of my laptop. So I only enable Security Health Stress System, the graphics command, while all others are disabled. So if none of this is a must start for your Windows, just make sure you click on it. Then just go ahead and click on Disable here to disable the software or application from running at startup. So do this to improve the performance of your system, and then once you are done, close this. Now, another way you can use to improve the performance of a Windows computer, either laptop or desktop, is you want to press the Windows button and R button together at the same time to open the run command. Now, once open the run command, search for prefetch. Then click on OK. Then you're going to see what that says, you currently do not have permission to access this folder. Click on continue. So this is because you need administrative right to access the folder. So by clicking on continue, grant you the admin access to access the prefetch folder. And as you can see, I have about 291 items. So you need to make sure you delete all deletable items here to clear cache and improve your Windows performance. So just select one of the files, select all, then click on the delete button or trash button. Then you should see a pop-up that says deleting, and all these items will be moved to the recycle bin. So in some conditions or in some cases, you may say this action cannot be completed because this file is still open in the system main. Just click on do this for all items and then click on skip. And then you're good. So all these items or file you selected will be deleted from your Windows, and this will definitely increase the performance of your Windows. Then another thing you want to do again is go ahead and open the run command again. Let's do this once. Then you want to search for disk management MSC. So search for disk mgmt.msc, or better still, click on the start button, click and search for disk clean or clean disk. So you can see disk cleanup. Either click on disk cleanup or use the command prompt disk mgmt.msc and then click on OK to open your disk management. So once you click on that, this is what you're going to have. Then here, if you discover that your drive C is full or you have unallocated drive, you want to allocate the drive to make sure that the partition is increased. So now again, to improve the performance of your Windows computer, another thing you want to put into consideration is you can easily go ahead, set your computer to high power performance. So this might consume more power, but definitely this is going to help you to increase your laptop or desktop performance run on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now to set power option to high performance, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the start button, search for control panel, open control panel again. Now, once opened control panel, click on category, select large icons. Then once you selected large icons, go ahead and select power options. Then once you select power options, here, make sure you select high performance. So instead of having balance recommended, go ahead and select high performance. However, if high performance is not available here, you want to create a new power plan. By clicking on create a power plan, then you should see high performance here under create a power plan. Select high performance and then click on next. And then here, click on create. Just leave everything as it is. Then you should see your Windows screen brightness increased. This is going to improve the performance of your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this is a good way to boost your Windows performance whenever your system is plugged to a power source. Now, another thing you want to use is you want to use the port power management to increase your Windows performance. To do this, right click on the start button, then choose device manager. So you want to just search through all this and then select device manager. Once you selected device manager, this is going to open your laptop or Windows device manager. Now the next one to do is you want to expand Universal Serial Bus Controller Triangle. So you want to search through all of this and expand Universal Serial Bus Controller. Then here you should have all of this expanded. Now right click on each of the USB root hub. So all this root hub, right click, select properties, and then in the property windows, choose power management tab. So just come here and select power management tab. Now the next one to do is you want to uncheck allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. You see this? If this is unchecked in your case, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, go ahead and uncheck it like this and then click on OK. So with this is going to allow your system to improve performance. So properties. So you see we only have one extensible host controller with power management. Then after that, close this and then you're good. Now you can also improve your Windows or optimize your Windows by increasing the RAM. So in this case, I prefer to use external RAM instead of using virtual RAM to improve your Windows RAM. So if you have a 16 gig or 8 GB worth of Windows RAM, you want to increase this to 32 if it is expandable. Otherwise, you want to limit the size of the files or programs you open on your Windows computer. Or better still, use an external device, but this is not always recommended. However, if you want to increase your Windows RAM using a virtual RAM, this is what you just need to do. Right click on the start button, go ahead and select system. Once you select the system, locate advanced system settings on the right panel. So just search through here and then locate advanced system settings. This, click on it. Then here you should have your Windows advanced system settings just like this. Then go ahead and click on the advanced tab. Here, if it is not selected automatically, then under performance settings, go ahead and then select this particular settings where you see visual effect, processor scheduling, and memory usage and virtual memory. Click on settings. Then there you go. Now come here and then you want to select advanced. Here by default, adjust for best performance of, this is programs and then background service. However, you want to set this to background service. Then after that, go ahead and click on apply and then click on OK. So you can easily do this without even changing the RAM of your system using the virtual RAM to improve or optimize your Windows 10 and then Windows 11 performance. So with all the steps discussed here, you should be able to optimize your Windows 10 or Windows 11 performance in no time. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.